Everyone, I know this is just like out of the blue, but I just made a big video, 300 subscribers special, because I have really nothing else to do, and I would like to do this, and is doing an animal based off me with items on it, and also making a pet that's about me. So I guess we could get started. So I'm just gonna get a new animal. And it's gonna be a snow leopard because that's my favorite animal. So I don't even know where they went. Okay. So I'm just gonna name it Major like I always do. Okay, I'm really tired, gosh darn it. And yeah, once I get all the measures on it, you can design it. So I must live with snow leopards. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put girl eyes because I'm a female. Okay. And then my favorite color is this. No, wait, which one? Yes, this. It's my favorite color. My eyes, um, they're about like this kind of green, maybe. This is my skin, I guess. And this will be my hair. I don't know. Wait, this is really weird. I just don't know what to do. The fur is basically like my hair. Okay, and then, so wait, we need a head item. So my favorite item, I don't think I have right now. Um, Let me pause this so I can move it all the way to my inventory. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I just moved it to my inventory so you can see. That's kind of cute. I don't know if we're gonna do actually items today. So that's just gonna be my animal. Oh my! I accidentally pressed this. This is nice. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna get closer in the store. We're gonna get. Actually, we're gonna get. So we're gonna get a sweater, a plaid shirt. Actually, I'm sorry. My favorite color. No, let's do like this color. And my shorts. Let's do my shorts white and then a fun shirt. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna find a shirt from my inventory. I could use a sweater. Actually, let's just use this hoodie and I'll change the color of the shorts. Okay. Because I love hoodies. I don't know why. Okay. Now time to make the pet. Oh my gosh. Time to make the pet. So I'm gonna move this over again. But yeah. So we're gonna make another one. Okay. It's gonna. What's my favorite pet? Obviously, I think you guys would know it's the snow leopard. And let's randomize it really fast. And we'll work from there. That's actually pretty cute. I love it. So we need like kind of this. Oh, we need the favorite. Let's see, actually. We'll do this off my second favorite colors. So wait, what's this? Okay, gotta do that. There we go. We're doing the closest. I don't like those. I'm just gonna do them because when they close, they're really cute. I think we're gonna do those. We'll do these ears and then the pattern. I really like this moon pattern. We're not gonna name it Silver. We're gonna name it Silver Peach because I like random names. Yay! Oh my gosh, wait. I love how this is literally based off me. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but so wait, I'm gonna read her birth certificate. No, it's my checklist. Okay, so her adopted September 15th, 2018. Yeah, not 14. And her personality is practical. Favorite toy is a fluffy pillow, and her favorite food's bacon. Okay, that's awkward though. But yeah, I hope you guys love like this. Not loved. I don't get why would you love this. Sorry for my voice, by the way. I don't know if it sounds really weird or not, but I hope you guys enjoyed this random out of the blue video. Because I don't normally do videos, as you know. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video, I hope. Maybe tonight again. I think I might do a different kind of video. And then maybe tomorrow. But yeah, goodbye.